What if I told you that you could become a millionaire by doing almost nothing? No business, no risk, no special skills, just one simple habit, starting with as little as $10 a month. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is mathematics, this is science, and this is already working for millions of ordinary people around the world. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set this up yourself in less than 10 minutes, for free. Stay with me, because what I am about to show you could change your financial life forever. Let's begin. Let me ask you something honestly. How much money do you have saved right now? If your answer is not much, you are not alone. Most people work hard their entire lives and still end up with nothing saved. Why? Because nobody taught us how money actually works. School taught us history, science, mathematics, but nobody taught us how to make money work for us. While we sleep, while we eat, while we live our lives. That stops today. The secret weapon of the wealthy is called SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. Big words, simple meaning. Every month, a small, fixed amount of money automatically goes from your bank account into something called a mutual fund. Think of it like this. Imagine a basket. Inside that basket are shares of the biggest companies in the world. Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla. When those companies grow, your basket grows. And here's the beautiful part. You do not need to watch the market every day. You do not need to be a finance expert. You do not need to do anything after setting it up. It happens automatically every single month, like clockwork. This is SIP, and this is how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. Now let me show you the numbers, because this is where it gets truly exciting. Meet Alex, 25 years old, normal job, normal salary. Alex starts a SIP of just $10 per month. That is 33 cents per day. Less than a candy bar. He never increases it. He never thinks about it. He just lets it run automatically. 30 years later, and when Alex is 55, that $10 per month becomes $40,000. He put in only $3,600 total over 30 years, but he got back $40,000. How is this possible? One word: compounding. Compounding means your money earns returns. Then those returns earn more returns. Then those returns earn even more returns. It is like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but it grows bigger and faster the longer it rolls. Albert Einstein called compounding the eighth wonder of the world. He said, those who understand it, earn it. Those who don't, pay it. The earlier you start, even with just $10, the more powerful this snowball becomes. Now I know what you are thinking. Why not just keep money in a fixed deposit or a savings account? They feel safe. They feel guaranteed. Let me show you exactly why the thinking is costing you money. Same $20 per month, same 20 years. Watch what happens. Savings account at 3% interest. You get around $6,600. Fixed deposit at 6% interest, you get around $9,200. SIP, an index fund, at 12% average return, you get nearly $20,000. Same money, same time period, but 3 times more wealth with SIP. Here is the harsh truth that banks do not want you to know. Inflation runs at around 6% every year worldwide. A savings account gives you 3%. That means every year, your money is actually losing value. A fixed deposit gives you 6 to 7%. So after inflation, you are barely breaking even. You are not growing. You are just standing still. SIP gives you 12% average over the long term. That means you are beating inflation, building real wealth, moving forward every single month automatically. Okay, enough theory. Let us talk action. How do you actually start a SIP today? Right now, it takes less than 10 minutes. It is completely free, and you can start with any amount, even $10. Step 1. Download a trusted investment app in your country. In India, use Grow or Zerodha. In USA, use Fidelity or Vanguard. In UK, use Vanguard or Hargreaves Lansdown. Most countries have free investment apps available. Step 2. Complete your identity verification. Usually takes 5 minutes. Just your ID and basic personal details. Step 3. Search for an index fund. For beginners, the simplest and safest choice is always an index fund that tracks the top companies in your country. Step 4. Set your monthly SIP amount. Start with whatever you can afford. Even $10 is enough to begin. Step 5. Set up automatic payment from your bank account. Done. Your wealth building machine is now running. That is it. 5 steps, 10 minutes, and your financial future has officially begun. One critical rule I need you to remember forever. Do not stop your SIP when the market falls. I repeat, do not stop when the market goes down. When the market falls, you are buying more units at a cheaper price. This is actually good for you. This is how SIP automatically works in your favor over time. Let me summarize everything in 30 seconds. SIP is automatic monthly investment in an index fund or mutual fund. Minimum $10 a month. Start anytime. Stop anytime. No lock-in period. The stock market has always gone up over long periods of time. Always. Without exception, in every major economy in the world. Time plus SIP equals wealth. It is that simple. It has always been that simple. Now, I want you to do one thing right now. Go to the comments below. Type the single word, started. If you are going to set up your SIP this week, that one word is your commitment, not to me, to yourself, to your future. If this video showed you something that nobody taught you in school, please hit the like button right now. It helps more people like you find this channel and subscribe, because next week we are covering which investment fund is actually the best for beginners in 2026. Trust me, you do not want to miss that one. See you in the next video. And remember, wealth is not built in a day, but it is built one automatic investment at a time.